Hi, my name is Jason. I'm going to show you how to make an easy peasy sneeze guard. So about a week and a half ago, my wife, who works at a walk-in clinic, was complaining that she was completely exposed behind an open desk and all these people are coming in with symptoms of coronavirus, and she wanted some sort of barrier. And pretty much corporate said something like that's not really going to happen, at least not in a reasonable time frame. So I said to myself, I'm going to fix that problem for you. So I'm going to show you what I did. It's super duper easy. It cost me about 13 bucks of Home Depot and some little pieces from my kids' blocks. All right. So let's see what we got here. We have a piece of plexiglass that I got at Home Depot. I think it's about 24 inches by 20 inches. All right, and I got some of these blocks I stole from my kid's block pile. He got a little bit upset, but I told him it was for Mama, so it's okay. You want a pencil for marking and circular saw, okay? We'll go into a bit more about that later. So, first and foremost, we're going to want to cut a groove in these blocks that's going to hold your plexiglass. So what we're going to want to do think of it like this. You don't want your plexiglass to overhang the edge of the block. So I'm going to line this up with the floor, okay? And I want this to be a little bit off here, okay? So that's about my mark. So I'm just going to mark this with my pencil. And it's about that, okay? So I want to have a little space underneath the plexiglass for people to slide their card information underneath the payment and stuff. So I don't want to make it go all the way through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my circular saw. This little thing on the end, I'm going to slide it down, so that's my thickness. And that slight angle is the same angle as you see here. So I'm just going to go and show you the final product. I clamped two of these together and clamped this to my workbench, and I made 2 passes. Look at that. Pretty nice. And let me show you how easy it is to set up. Ta-da! Now, sorry for the quality of video here, but that's all it is, okay? I don't know how good you can see it on YouTube, but so what this does, this sits up on top of the higher desk at the front desk there, and it gives you some sort of barrier between you and the customers coming in. You can take it down in seconds, put it up in seconds. Real easy. My suggestion is maybe putting like a sticker up here so that the patients could be able to see it a little better. Well, I told you it was simple. Sorry I didn't have video of me cutting it, but my kid's sleeping. I can't be making any more noise and cutting up more of his blocks. So good luck. Post comments if you have them, and good luck and stay healthy out there.